So I poured my oil, vegetable oil, and allowed it to heat for a while. Then poured my onion, and this is me stirring the onions and the vegetable oil. Meanwhile, I had already put salt. Later, I put my oil and it heated, put salt, and I stirred it. I didn't video that part. So this is pepper mix, onion, pepper, and ginger pounded in my mortar by my friends that was in the kitchen with me. So this is me still stirring it, and I kept stirring it. Then I'm adding thyme right now. This is thyme that I just added. This is curry that I'm going to add right now. And after adding curry, I'm going to add my fried rice spice. That fried rice spice I'm adding now, just for color and a bit of taste. This is garlic powder, which I'm adding as well. And after that, I'm adding my cinnamon. I didn't show the first part, but I added a little more, which you're going to see right now. So I added some more of my cinnamon, and this is turmeric, which I'm gonna add right now as well. After that, I'm adding my Maggi, and this is a seasoned cubes. Yes, powdered, not cubes. This is a powdered form. Maggi is called Maggi in my country. So I'm adding two flavors. The first one was chicken flavor, then this one is a regular flavor. Then I'm putting my powdered crayfish as blended crayfish, or the grinded crayfish rather. I'm adding some more. Then stirring it right now. Stirring and stirring and stirring. So that it doesn't get burnt. That's why I'm stirring it. Keep on continue stirring it. Then I rinse the plate for the plate that I use in keeping my pepper mix. I rinsed it just as you saw 2 times and poured into my should I call it sauce now? Abi stew. I don't know which one to call it. If you know, please let me know in the comments. Then this is my meat stock. Usually I buy meat, cook it. My caregiver helps me most of the times to cook season. I marinate it myself sometimes, and then the meat is fried and stored in the fridge, and the stock is also um, stored in the freezer for when I want to use it. This is my friend's hand. As you can see, he came to help me. He went to run errands for me. This is a pasta I'm using. It's called May, is it May Kabu or whatever? It's an Hausa name. So that's the pasta I'm going to use. In my country, we call it spaghetti. So I'm opening this kettle to pour some water that I'll use to wash some of my fish, my dry fish that has been kept for a long time. So they have kind of rust on them. I've been some rust and some mold on them. So I'll use this hot water to wash them. That's why I put the hot water in that burner, on that burner rather. So this is me stirring my stew uh for my pasta. So I'm giving you a closer look so you can see what it looks like. My gas at this point, the flame is lowered. Then I've had this red oil sauce that I used in eating yam a long time ago. Inside this red oil is local beans, salt, pepper, onion, and there's something we call uba where I come from. So I've had it for a long time in my fridge. I decided to just add it in this pie. So it's inside this stew. So it's optional. That's the stew for my spaghetti. So I just added it so that I get rid of it. This is my friend helping me to add water, just like I'm telling him to. He added 2 bowls of that. The water. He added 2 bowls of that water. Yeah. And he added. I don't even know how to put it now. Anyway, so this is me still stirring. Then this is the dry fish I want to use. Not the one I said has some rust on it. This is the fresh dry fish I have. coupled with the other one. As you can see, my stew is boiling. Then I took the time, which, when editing this video, I removed some parts that is not really necessary. So this part now I'm showing you, this fish now is after I have removed the bones and washed it severally before I put it in my stew. Then this is me putting my pasta. I don't want to break them, so I'm putting in some more. Hello. Just as you are watching. Please like this video if you haven't liked it and you are enjoying up to this point. Please do give this video a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell so you know when I post a new video, and also share it. Share it. I think this is an educative content, right? I'm showing you how I make my pasta despite being physically challenged as a result of muscular dystrophy. So I still cook. A lot of people don't believe I can do anything. But I still do a lot by myself. It's just that they are difficult for me to do, but I try. And I believe it helps me to keep my muscles toned, you know. It helps to keep my muscles active as possible. So that's why I keep attempting to do the stuff I'm used to doing. This is a chicken hot dog. So I want to take just one of it. I've had it in my freezer for more than 2 months, I think. So I suspect it's getting spoiled because sometimes we don't have light and it defreezes. So I'm peeling the back here. I'm peeling the back so that, I don't know, do you think it's healthy for me to still keep using it even after leaving it in the freezer for that long, up to 2 months or thereabouts, maybe even 3 months if I'm not mistaken? Do you think it's unhealthy? Do you think I should have thrown it away? Or the way I peeled the back, and after that I'll slice them into smaller portions and still put it in my food and cook, and it's cooked? Do you think it's okay if I keep doing it that way, or do you think whenever it stays this long it's not more healthy for consumption? Please let me know, especially if you're a health person, if you are very knowledgeable about health and diet. Please let me know in the comment section. Okay, I would love to know. Yeah, most of these things people don't get to share it. Please give this big video a thumbs up if you haven't already. I would appreciate that. Yeah. Also, let me know the correct name to call it in the comment section. Please let me know. So I am going to slice it into smaller parts. That's just what we're gonna watch. Yeah, this is me slicing it into smaller parts. So my phone, I don't know why this thing is slow. I think it's from my phone. I think my phone has been overworked. I think that is why. So maybe after this part I will just stop the voiceover so that my phone, like, I think that's why my phone is doing slow motion. Is already heated. That's one thing about iPhone. I bought this iPhone. This is iPhone 7, and it's always getting heated up when I use it for things like this. And I guess it's overworked as I'm doing voiceover in my editing, and I've used it to film, and I was charging it a while, and I connected my microphone to it, my microphone adapter to it. So I guess all this is why it is very hot. I forgot to put nutmeg. It's my food. I forgot to put nutmeg. I really can't wait to be able to afford to buy a camera, because using my phone to film, it limits me from doing a lot. I'm not even able to capture some of the scenes I want to capture in my day-to-day life, and things I want to share with you. So I want to buy this Sony EV, is it EV whatever, Sony A1 EV camera. Is for vlogging, and currently I think it costs about 500,000 naira, and that should be, how much is 5,000 in dollars? Sorry, 500,000 in dollars should be about $8,200 or thereabouts. So I really want to just buy this camera. Let me just pause this for now and allow the phone to cool off. Be right back. So let's do some magic. And let's I've been standing for such a long time. Are you getting it? Your fish has dissolved. This your fish will not be tasty. Sure you know.
It's a week.
Because you've soaked it in water for long. Can you bring that wood for me? Good. Yeah, video me. So this my friend went to run some errands for me. In fact, he has been running some errands for me past since the past 2 or 3 days now. And my caregiver is not at work. She said she's not feeling fine also within that period. So this is my friend. When he came today, he helped me to fix my curtain because that's part of what he went to do. The curtain in my kitchen and my bathroom. So he helped me to fix them. And this is me just dancing to his phone was ringing, and the ringtone is Michael Jackson's "This There's a Place in Your Heart." That song. Why did it stop now? Kai. And the entire human race, this is me opening my windows because it's locked. It's been locked. You know, they tried to steal from me. So since then, I find it hard to. They tried to steal from me through my window. They saw my window nail, and I caught the person and screamed, and the person ran away. So since then, I find it hard to open my windows. I'm always locking it. So but I had to open it at that time. In the name of the Father and the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Thank you, Father, for this gift, and I make this best and sanctify this gift. I may provide for those that know of in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. In the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. So let's munch this spaghetti. Mm. 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 So yummy.